Hey, so welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we're going to take a look at some new switches right here. So these are the new Akko custom switches. This is the silver variant, so it's currently up for pre-order while I have this. Honestly, I'm quite interested in this linear switch and I'm not sure how it will sound or turn out. But today, we're going to take a look at it and go over the unboxing and review. So before the video starts, a huge thank you to Akko for actually sending this over. Links will be down in the description if you guys are interested in this product. So let's get this video started. So this right here is the box for the Akko custom switches, and this is the silver variant right here. So it's a really nice box. So custom switches basically means CS, or if you've been looking at Akko CS switches, basically it just means custom switches. So these switches are some switches that Akko makes after getting feedback from the community. So they have done some changes to them. In my opinion, they are quite great. So this is the front of the box. As I said, on the left side you can see the logo, and on the right side you can see the print of the switches themselves. Really nice box. On the back of the box, we have some specs right here, so you can pause to read, but it's of course called the silver switch, and it's a linear type of switch. So you can see all the specs right here and the graph of the actuation force, so you can actually pause to read it, but we'll be going through the specs later on. And down here, of course, you have the social media and the website for Akko. Really nice box. Let's open it up. Honestly, I really like Akko's packaging, and this is the same right here. So it comes in this tray. So one box comes with 45 pieces of switches, and a box costs around $14 US or around 40 ringgit. So these are the switches right here. Let me just open them up. So you can see all the 45 switches here right now. Really nice. Let me just take one out and dismantle it for you guys to take a look at it closer. So this is what the switch looks like close up. So you can see that it has a new design here for the stem. This is to prevent dust from going in, so it's actually a dust proof stem. On the top here you can actually see a cutout for the LED RGB, so there won't be any problems with that. It's mainly used grey plastic, hence the name silver. And this is what the top looks like, and the bottom is like this. So it's of course 3-pin right here, as you can see, and then there's the cutout you can see for the LEDs. So these are the main 4 parts of the switch now opened up. We can go through them one by one. So these silver switches are also equipped with a dust-proof stem, as I said before, and it enhances the stability when you put on a keycap or when typing. And this is really nice thing, so there's more sturdier feel to the switch. So the stem right here is actually made out of a POM plastic material, which is really nice, and they come out of the box really smooth, because actually they come a little bit factory looped. I'm not so sure if this shows on the camera, but I can actually feel and see the loop on the stems right here, and they come out of the factory like this. So it's pretty nice for Akko for doing this. Of course, the contact leaf on the switch right here is made out of copper alloy, which is really nice and doesn't have any problems with all of the switches. And the bottom of the switch right here is made out of some PA plastic, which will last a long time, and you don't have to worry about durability on this switch. And of course, the top housing right here, which is transparent, is made out of polycarbonate, so that the LGB or the RGB can shine through really nicely. So this is how the switch sounds like right out of the box. We'll do a more intensive sound test later, but this is how it sounds like right out of the box. So this Akko CS Silver Switch right here come with a really short pre-travel distance of 1mm. This is one of the fastest Akko switches out there, and it's very ideal for gaming and fast typing. So as I said before, these are some linear switches, and they have an end force of 45 grams plus 5 grams, total travel of 3.3mm, and a pre-travel of 1mm. So this is a really quick switch, hence the name Silver Switch. It's like the other switches that other companies make. It's very good for gaming and doesn't require a lot of force to actually activate and actuate. So now let's just put it into my CIY Tester 68 right here, and we can do a quick sound test of how it sounds like stock. So that has been it for this video, guys. Honestly, a huge thank you for Akko for actually sending this over. They've been a long time supporter of my channel, and a huge shout out to them. So their links will be down in the description below. I really had a great time reviewing these switches, and honestly I think that stock these are quite good. But if you want to sound better or get rid of all the spring ping and everything, you can definitely loop them yourselves. But honestly, getting this stock for the price is definitely a great buy if you don't plan on looping down the line. So that's been it for this video, guys. Leave a like if you like this video, dislike this video if you didn't like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I have more keyboard content like this coming very soon. As always, thanks for watching. Goodbye, guys.